E-commerce giant Amazon has got all the necessary nods for starting the delivery of alcohol, and no, it's not across the country but just in the state of West Bengal. And in fact, you'd be surprised to know that it's not just Amazon but Alibaba-backed Big Basket also that has secured a license for the same. Now, why is that a big deal? Why is that making news and noise? Well, because it kicks off the US giant's big bold move into India's multi-billion-dollar industry, $27.2 billion to be precise. Now, multiple online platforms and masses as well have been batting for the delivery of alcohol in the country, especially post the nationwide lockdown came into effect and government actually allowed for reopening of alcohol shops amidst high demand, but that led to chaos. We all of us know that, and hence there was a growing chorus by online platforms and masses as well to allow the home delivery of alcohol in the country. That would lead to social distancing measures being in place as well. There won't be any breach regarding social distancing is concerned. And although Zomato and Swiggy too kicked off their alcohol delivery services in some cities only, and now Amazon is getting that license, really populates that market and certainly hots up competition in the category even further. Now, the West Bengal State Beverages Corp, which is the authorized agency to carry out online retail of liquor trade in the state, has in fact said that Amazon was amongst the many companies that were found to be eligible for registration regarding the same. Now, remember, ever since the lockdown came into effect, e-commerce companies and services were getting hugely impacted because the delivery of essentials was allowed, and perhaps there were many other services that brands in the e-commerce category were delivering that didn't come in under that bracket, and hence the businesses were getting severely impacted. So all of them are now on their way back to recovery, especially since Unlock 1 began in the country. And this move, coming back to this move, it gives a fillip to Amazon's overall business in the country as well, wherein it has ventured into the OTT space, the grocery delivery business as well, and many other verticals. Now, what remains to be seen is how Flipkart, Tata Click and other competitors in the e-commerce category respond to this mega move, because remember, as I said, the alcohol market in the country is slightly over $27.2 billion, which is a huge space and opens up arena for another growth vertical for the category. So how Flipkart responds to this mega move will be interesting to watch. And another thing, every state has its own liquor policy. Now, that comes under the state list, so naturally West Bengal is just the beginning. How other states respond to these liquor related regulations is something that will be closely watched now that West Bengal and some other states have also given that nod, but certainly gives another growth avenue to India's e-commerce market that's expected to reach $200 billion by 2026. Expect some really competitive moves going ahead.